So last night I downloaded the demo of Guitar Rig Pro 7, and I actually wound up playing for a few hours. The thing about Guitar Rig Pro is I haven't really watched any other YouTubers or not too familiar with Native Instruments marketing either. It seems like to me that Guitar Rig Pro is just all about effects. Of course it can do many other things, but when I play around with Guitar Rig Pro, even with the 6th version, I find that it really excels in the effects department. Without even really doing anything, you just go into the presets, which is normally what I do, and I just start scrolling through and playing around with different things, and it seems like right away you stumble upon things that are like totally, I've never even heard anything like it before. And what I like about the new one, I like the lo-fi vibes. They seem to be catering to a lo-fi market. I don't know if that's like more popular than it used to be, but either way, there's a lot more stuff in there. But yeah, before I was talking about how it's great at effects, but I think this time around they've gotten a little better at making like metal and rock type stuff. Because when I started messing around with a few more of the distortion presets, I ended up playing for a long time too, because you know, they're just kind of conducive to jamming, you know? They kind of like bring out that shredding that, you know when something just sounds good and you just want to keep playing? That's basically what it was doing for me. So far I've found a few different presets that I really like. I like the Lo-Fi Delight, which is what you heard in the intro, and then the Tight and Chunky, and then the Analog Answers. The Analog Answers was incredibly cool. Like the moment I started playing around with it, I was just kind of like instantly, I had the inspiration. That's what got me to play around with it for so long, because you can see the analog sequencer right here. I could be wrong about this, but I'm pretty sure the analog sequencer, it's responsible for the flute sound in that guitar track that you heard earlier. So it's like taking the notes that I'm playing and then playing some like flute over top of it just automatically. And that blew my mind when I started playing with that. So I still think that Guitar Rig Pro is best for effects. I feel like it undoubtedly excels in that area, but I'm starting to seriously consider whether or not I should adopt this as like my primary amplifier sim, because you know, I've just been having a lot of fun playing around with it, kind of thinking about maybe just using it all the time. To try out the demo, you just have to go to their website, or you can Google Guitar Rig 7 and it'll just take you right to the page. In my case, I had to restart my computer in order to get it to work, but that's pretty customary with most plugins and software. Additionally, you got a 30-minute time limit, so you can use it as much as you'd like, but at the 30-minute mark, it's gonna make a really loud, annoying sound, and then you have to restart your project and reload all the plugins again. But ultimately, I'm pretty satisfied with how everything sounds, and I'll probably end up using it a lot.